The Bafana Bafana star Themba Zwane has cautioned his teammates that they are not yet home and dry as Tunisia loom large in their last Group E tie of the ongoing Africa Cup of Nations in Ivory Coast. After losing a 2-0 to Mali in their group opener last Tuesday, where Pesitao missed a penalty when the scoreline was still goalless. Bafana Bafana bounced back in style as they beat their neighbors Namibia 4-0 in their second Group E tie at Amadogon Kolibey Stadium in Goroho on Sunday night. The win versus Namibia, hugely inspired by Zwane's brilliance, saw Bafana Bafana move second in their group, with Mali leading the pool after garnering 4 points by beating South Africa and drawing against Tunisia. To qualify for the knockout stages, Bafana Bafana need to avoid a defeat tomorrow. Bafana Bafana also have a chance of qualifying as one of the 4 third-place finishers in case they lose to Tunisia and Mali beat Namibia. Zwane said at the media conference, "We know that it is not over yet. It's going to be difficult. It's going to be a difficult one against Tunisia. We are going to analyze them properly and come up with a plan. We know that we definitely need to win in order to qualify." Thapelo Maseko and Zwane respectively became the youngest and oldest players to score at AFCON for Bafana Bafana on Sunday. And Sunday was also only the second time Bafana Bafana scored 4 or more goals in a game at AFCON following their 4-1 victory over the same Namibia in 1998. However, Sunday's result was South Africa's biggest ever margin of victory in a game at this tournament. Maseko described scoring his first ever goal as a wonderful feeling, vowing that they will go all out against Tunisia, and said, "It's a wonderful feeling. I hope for many more goals and many more victories. It is a highly anticipated game. We will go all out and make sure we do what we can do, showcase our talent to the world." Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.